Hello everyone, I'm Wilson. Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can share internet from your Android device to any other device. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. To share your internet from your Android to any other device, we have first to configure our mobile hotspot, and we can do that through the settings. Now let's configure our mobile hotspot. With your finger, tap on the screen and then swipe up to access your app drawer. Then look for the settings icon. Mine is right here. Tap there. Then look for connections. Mine is right here where I have connections. Down below I have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and airplane mode. Tap there. Now inside here, let's look for mobile hotspot and tethering. Mine is right here. Mobile hotspot and tethering. Tap there. And then right here, the first option that I have is mobile hotspot. Now here, we're not going to toggle this option on yet, but we're going to tap it here because what we want to do first is to configure the mobile hotspot. So tap here. Now it will bring all the options related to the mobile hotspot. As you can see, now this option is off. And down here, you have your mobile hotspot details. You have the name, you have the password, and then you have the band. Now let's change all these things here. And to change, what you have to do is click here, config. Right here, you have network name. This will be your mobile hotspot name. Let's change this one. This one is called YouTube. Let's change to something different. I'll call this my test. And then down here, you have the option to set your password. Write the password that you will use or people will use to connect to this hotspot. I'm just going to write something here. And down here, you have the option to select the band. In this case, mine is set to 2.4, but also have the option to select 5 gigahertz. Not all devices have these two options. In this case, mine has these two. You can select any of these. Now, take into account that if you select 5 GHz band, only device able to connect to 5G network will be able to connect to this one. Now, if you set this one to 2.4, all device, even device able to connect to 5G will be able to connect to this band here. I recommend you to set 2.4 because all the device will be able to connect to this network. If you are finding this video valuable so far, don't forget like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's go back to the video. Down here, if you click on this arrow, you have more advanced options. Right here, you can set your mobile data limit. If you click there, you can see that mine is set to 10 gigabytes. Once you set this limit, if it reach 10 gigabytes, it will cut off the connection. This is good, especially if you have limited plan. Once you have set your limit, you can click OK. As you can see, mine is set to 10 gigabyte. Down here, you also have many other options. The other option that I think very important is this one here. Turn off when no device is connected for 30 minutes. This is also good to set up because when you have your mobile hotspot on, it will drain your battery faster. So mine is set to 30 minutes. If no device is connected to my hotspot, after 30 minutes, it will turn this option off. If you're okay with all these settings, click save and then turn this option on. And to turn it on, you just click here and you will turn this option on. You can see that it is on. And down here, you can see where you have no devices. You will see all the devices connected to your hotspot. If you're okay with that, click on this arrow to go back. And as I said you before, we have also this option here where we can quickly toggle this option on or off without the need to go inside to see all these settings. And from here, you can tap it to turn it off, or you can tap it to turn this option on. And once this option is on, you can see up here this icon that represents the mobile hotspot. If I toggle this option off, you will see that the icon disappear. If I toggle this option on, you will see that the icon will appear up there. That shows that your whole mobile hotspot is on. Now any device can connect to this mobile hotspot. What you have to do is just remember, share the network name and also share the password. Don't use this password, find something better. Once you're okay with that, just click again on this arrow to go back, click again to go back, then tap in here, and you're good to connect to your mobile hotspot. As long as you have that icon up there, that will show you that your hotspot is on. The other way for you to turn this option on or off is through the quick toggles. And you can access that by tapping up here and then tap down once. You will see here that the quick toggle for mobile hotspot is this one. Now, this is for my phone. Depending on the brand or depending on your device, you might have a different icon there. Find the icon that represents mobile hotspot on your device, and then what you can do is just tap it on. In this, tap it once to turn the option off, or tap it again to turn this option on, and you'll see that the icon will appear up there. Well everyone, this is how you set up your mobile hotspot to share your internet from your mobile device to any other device. As long as this option is on and the person have the credential, any device can connect to this mobile hotspot. Well everyone, that's all for this video. I hope you find it helpful, and if you did, don't forget, like, share it and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.